Hello, I'm Justin Lee, and this is my recording for CIT 336, enhancement number 5. This week we're to create do functions PHP, which controls everything and add things in it. So we have the nav list and the cat list in here. I will go to the page where we built the products, so you can see that they're right here. So we have the product management page. I'll go ahead and validate this page. You can see that there are no errors or warnings in this page. We'll go back, go to add a category. We'll first validate this page. And there are no errors or warnings here. We'll go back and we'll add a category of feed and you can see that it adds it up here to our navigation bar. We'll go back to add a product now. We'll first validate this page with the HTML. You can see that there are no errors or warnings here either. Go back, we'll choose a category, so we'll do feed, we'll add bird seed. So I'm actually going to run it to show you that it says needs are required. I'm also going to hit the no validate up here to show you what message it gives you if you don't fill anything. It says please provide information. So we'll go ahead and continue with that. So the price. Let's make sure I add a category first. Size, weight, available. Vendor, style, and then we'll add the product. And it says it successfully added birdseed to your database. So we'll actually go to the database and refresh these things. We'll go to the inventory, and you can see that birdseed was added, and the category, you can see that feed was added. The last thing I'm going to do is validate the CSS for you. Since they all use the same one, we only need to validate once. And there are no errors. So that is the Enhancement 5 video. Thank you.